Hi family, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you about something very important. If you are the type that normally buy pap outside, you can't guarantee how well it was washed or how hygienic the environment was during the process of making that pap. You don't know the type of water they used. You don't know how clean the environment was. You don't know. All you know was to buy the ready-made pap. So over the weekend, I made fresh pap for my family. And when I was washing the grains, honestly, it reminded me again that I need to continue making pap from scratch for my family because it came with lots of dirt, dust, sand, little stones, you know, other particles. And we all know that making pap is very stressful. Yes, yes. Nobody should tell you that it's not stressful, and I won't be the one to say it. Making pap from scratch is really, really stressful. But it's not something that you do every day. Yes, it's not something you do every day. This is something you can do once in a while. Any day you decide to make pap, you bring out your time, you bring out your energy, you bring out your patience, the patience in you. Yeah, even if it take you for half of the day, you do it and store it in your fridge, your freezer, and it can last up to 2 to 3 months depending. Okay, yeah, depending how strong your power supply is. Okay, yeah, it can last up to 2 to 3 months. And trust me, all these small small things make a very big difference in your health and that of your kids. Doing it yourself helps you to control the environment, helps you to control the water, helps you to know how many times you are going to wash the grains before you can say at this point these grains are clean. Like you can see through the water, like the water is very clean. Yeah, that's when you know that, yeah, this grain is very clean at this point. I cannot soak it. But when you're buying it outside, those things cannot be guaranteed because you were not there. So hobby helped me in sieving it, which made it much easier for me. And we enjoyed it with moi moi. Thank you so much for watching to this very point. So today I'm encouraging you watching this to try to make your pap yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.